Did you notice when you're standing there saying, how did you do? You were using your hands. That's a part of it. He's using his hands.
People are amazed when they come in and watch, if they do, at how physical it is. Voice, like doing the stuff, they're like, oh my God, I thought you guys just stood there. People who come in, and I'll cite myself, because why not? You know, they've come in and watched a Beast Wars session or a session like that, they go, when you change characters, it's weird. Like, your face changes, your body changes, everything, because you have to be able to shift gears very instantly, and it's not just a question of going, oh, I'll move my voice to here, I'll move it to here. So, good point, Wally.
Quick point, Wonder Woman in Super Friends. A very pretty lady, had done leading ladies as the character, that's characteristic description of women who are attractive on screen. She came in to read for Wonder Woman, and I was looking for authority. And I finally said, she was in a shirtwaist dress, this is the 60s, very pretty woman. And she's standing there, yes. And I said, put your feet apart, put your hands on your hips, and imagine you're in leotards and it's telling us what the hell's going on. And it gave her the physical side of being an authoritative woman, female officer. Women are taught to be cute and pretty and attractive. And there are lots of times when you're asked in animation to be authoritative. And she became Wonder Woman by virtue of, I think, standing with her feet apart and her hands on her hips and saying, God damn it, I want it done this way.
And that was the first time God damn it was used in the Smurfs. The first time God damn it.